Good morning, friends. So today I face one problem which I have to look to solve it. Um, I face problem in toilet. So the problem was this. Okay, I have to on the light first, so you can see. The problem was this. About this. Now I don't know how to remove this or how to fix it. Okay, so the first thing is I have to close this water. This should be like this. Moreover, this is the first time, so I don't have idea about this. But this is for the to stop the water. Okay, so now this one. This problem because okay, it looks like a screw inside. Yeah. And inside this. Okay. So let's I'm going to work on it and because it is important. The how to remove this. Okay, there's another way to fix it. Just a minute, I try. Well, this is moving, so I think I can remove this. I think. Oh my God. Okay. Now I understand. I had to clean it, leave it. Just a minute. Perfect. So now I have to look whether it is fit here or not. And I have to buy new. Yeah. Okay, so this is working. This is not a problem. The problem is now I have to look how to put this here and I have to insert here. This is the thing. Okay, let's if I can do like this. Okay, this is the other way. Okay, so this is taken from here. Okay, now I have to look how I can adjust this. So pushing this, so I had to close this water because I think okay, this switch which we have here, we have to look later. I will look. First problem is this. How to do this? And this is the question. This is like this. Now I can adjust this. So these are the simple things, but if you have never done, so maybe like me, I never have done in past, so I was worried. Okay, how to do this? Okay, so now this will adjust there. Good. And I can adjust this switch. Okay, I think this should go inside, I think, no? No, it won't go inside. Yeah. Okay, so moreover, I don't know if this problem is solved or not. But for me, it is solved. So these are the small things which we have to learn. And about the water, I think the key, which is here, which you have seen here, I think I have to put it down, and then it will close. Let's see. Let's wait. Do you think it is solved? I think yes, because I never focused on. I'm not expert of this. I remember that every day I come here, I just push this, and this is whole thing I did. And my whole life, this is the first time I do it. It's okay to repairing one part of the western toilet. So this is my own home, so my own flat, so I have to solve all these small things. Okay, let's see whether after this why this if I put up, let's see, I put up the key. Moreover, you have to look the key, how the key is working, because well, you have to look the key. Okay, so hopefully the problem is solved. For at present, this is solved, and let's see how many days it works. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.